What's up folks, this is Keith and you're watching Barbour's Auto Help. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on a Ford 5-button key. First, I want to bring your attention to the upper corner of the key. You have a little notch right here, and what you're going to do is take a flat blade screwdriver, place it into that notch, and pry the cover off the back of the key. Once the cover is removed, you'll notice that the battery is exposed. Once the battery is exposed, you can either take a smaller screwdriver or perhaps maybe a toothpick and gently pry the battery out of the housing. Now this particular battery here is a CR2032 3-volt battery. And of course, installation of your new battery is basically reverse procedure. However, if you have a little bit of dielectric grease, you can apply a small amount to these 2 points here that I'm pointing to with my screwdriver. The use of dielectric grease not shown in the video, and you do really want to use a very small amount. Now simply take your new battery and place it into the key body, negative side down. You should see the plus sign of the battery facing up towards you when it's installed correctly. Now on the cover, you'll notice that there's a rubber flap that sits inside. You want to make sure that it's seated correctly inside the cover before you place the cover back onto the key. Then simply place the cover back onto the key and snap it into place. Press all 4 corners of the cover and make sure that it is actually seated correctly and that it did snap into place. And at this point, guys, you're done. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Of course, with all my videos, please be sure that you read the entire description down below the video before you apply this knowledge. There may be some things I need to clarify, and that's where I do that. Also, please read the disclaimer at the very end of it as well. And please like and subscribe. Have a good one, guys.